Good morning student, welcome here in this video tutorial. Today I am going to revise a chapter inside our earth from your geography chapter number 2. Fine. So for today first I am going to explain some bullet points of this chapter. Later we will discuss some questions also from mid of the chapter. That here. Okay, the earth, our homeland, is a dynamic planet. As well, if we know that it is constantly undergoing changes, even inside also, even outside also. So have you ever wondered what lie in the interior of the earth, or what is the earth made up of? Now here, as you can see, the interior of the earth. If we talk about the onion, so just look at the onion picture here. As you can see, just like an onion, the earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. Now just look at the earth also. Concentric layers, as you can see, just like an onion. So the picture, the diagram of interior of the earth. Here as you can see, crust. Okay, this part is lithosphere. This one is mantle. This one is core, mantle boundary, and this one is outer core, and this one is inner core. Okay, first we will talk about the crust. Which thing? First we will talk about the crust. So as you can see here, crust is the which one? Uppermost layer over the earth's surface. So the uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called the crust. And it is all the thinnest of all the layer. जो सबसे thinnest layer है वो आपकी कौन सी है? Crust. Now just look at here student. If we talk about the which one? Okay. Thinnest most layer of the, now you know that, and crust is about 35 kilometer on the continental mass and only 5 kilometer on the ocean floor. Now just look at the diagram. More deeply you can understand. Here the continental crust, this one. Okay, here ocean, जो आपकी ocean में है, then oceanic crust. So what about the continental? It is about the 35 kilometer. Okay, continental crust or continental mass. And what about the ocean? It is about the 5 kilometer. One main thing also, the oceanic crust. First we will talk about the oceanic crust. It mainly consists silica and magnesium. Which one? Silica and magnesium. So just take Si from silica and Ma from magnesium. So what it makes? Sima. So that's why in oceanic crust, which one? Oceanic crust, what it one? Yes, Sima. Fine. Therefore, what it called? Sima. Why? Because Si from silica and Ma from magnesium. And if we talk about the which one? Continental mass or continental crust. The main minerals constituents of the continental mass are silica and ammonia. Which one? Silica and ammonia. So that's why Sial. Why Sial? Si from silica and alumina from Al. Fine. Now student, just look at here. The second one is mantle. Here as you can see. Okay, which is the second one? The second one is mantle. So just beneath the crust is the mantle. Okay, which one? Mantle. And which extend up to 2900 किलोमीटर बिलो द क्रस्ट. कितना एक्सटेंड करता है वो? 2900 किलोमीटर एक्सटेंड करता है वो बिलो द क्रस्ट. ओके, look at here. The next one is core. The innermost, ये देखिए आप बिल्कुल innermost, ये आपका है outer core, ये है आपका inner core. So the innermost layer is the core with a radius 3500 किलोमीटर. इसका radius कितना है आपका? 3500 किलोमीटर. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron. So core is mainly made up of which things? Nickel and iron, and is called knife. Why knife? Nickel and iron, it also denote which thing? Ferrous. So which one? Okay, NIFE, knife. That's why. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. जो आपका सेंट्रल कोर है वो आपका पता है कैसा है, बहुत हाई और बहुत ज़्यादा आपका टेम्परेचर है वहाँ. Must know about the first one, the deepest mine in the वर्ल्ड. ओके, विच माइन? द डीपेस्ट, जो सबसे गहरी माइन है आपकी, वो इट इज़ इन साउथ अफ्रीका एंड इट इज़ ओनली अबाउट 4 किलोमीटर डीप. हाउ मच किलोमीटर डीप? 4 kilometer. In search for oil, engineer have dug a hole about 6 kilometer deep. And the second one, to reach to the center of the earth. अगर हम center of the earth, which is not possible, जो क्या है आपका possible ही नहीं है. So how much? Which is not possible, you have to dig a hole 6,000 kilometer deep on the ocean floor. Student, now just look at here. Now we will discuss this topic. Fine. Rocks and minerals. The earth crust is made up of various types of rocks. Okay. Crust, now all of you know about uppermost layer of the earth. Okay. And it is the thinnest layer. So if you talk about the earth crust, so which things it is made up of? It is made up of rocks. Okay. Fine. So what's the meaning of the rock? Any natural mass. As you can see here in this picture also, any natural mass of the mineral matter. Which thing? That makes up the earth crust. जो आपकी क्या बनाता है? Earth crust के जो mineral matters. Okay. Have you seen rocks? It is of different color, different size and different texture also. One more important thing also, there are 3 major types of rocks. How many major types of rock? There are 3 major types of rock. The first one is igneous rock, the second one is sedimentary rock, and the third one is metamorphic rocks. Which rock? The first one is igneous, the second one is sedimentary, and the third one is metamorphic. First we will talk about the igneous rock. So igneous rocks, you can say that is of 2 types. How many types? Igneous rocks are of 2 types, intrusive rocks and extrusive rock. Igneous rocks also called primary rocks. Igneous word, Latin word ignis, it means fire. Okay, so what about the igneous rock? It when the molten magma cools. जब आपका molten magma है वो क्या होता है? Cool होता है. So when the molten magma cool, it becomes solid. So thus rock formed are called igneous rocks. They are also called primary rocks. कौन सी rocks कहते हैं इसको? Primary rocks भी कहते हैं. These rocks also can be classified of 2 types, intrusive igneous rock and extrusive igneous rock. Okay, first we will discuss about the which thing, intrusive igneous rock. Sometimes the molten magma cool down deep inside. कहाँ आपका कूल होता है? वो डीप आपके अर्थ के ही अंदर आपका कूल हो जाता है. सो सॉलिड रॉक सो फॉर्म कौन सा बन जाता है आपका? इन मीन इनसाइड. सो दैट्स वाई intrusive igneous rock. Since they cool down slowly, they form large grains also, and granite, which is an example of such a intrusive igneous rock, granite. Okay, and grinding stones. Which stones? Grinding stone used to prepare paste, powder of spices, and grains are made up of granite. Now the student, another type of igneous rock. First one, intrusive rocks. Intrusive means inside the earth. Now extrusive, lava is actually fiery red molten magma coming out from the interior of the earth. आपका लावा क्या है? आपका interior of the earth से बाहर आता है and where on its surface, earth surface. So when this molten lava comes on the earth surface and rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Okay, it means whenever the which thing, molten magma, okay, when the molten lava comes out from interior of the earth and it's become solid on where? a surface it rapidly cool and solid. This type of rocks is extrusive igneous rock. They have a very fine grain structure. कैसा होता है, बहुत fine grain structure होता है. For example, basalt. Here as you can see basalt. One important thing also, the Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rock. Which plateau? Deccan Plateau. Second type of rock, sedimentary rock. Okay, or sediment. First we will discuss this topic. After, when rocks roll down, crack and hit each other and are broken into small fragment. क्या होता है कि आपके जो रॉक्स हैं क्रैक डाउन होते हैं, रोल डाउन होते हैं, हिट होते हैं, तो वो क्या होते हैं, ब्रोक हो जाते हैं, टूट जाते हैं स्मॉल सेगमेंट्स में. सो फाइन. सो दीज स्मॉलर पार्टिकल्स आर कॉल्ड sediments. What it called? These smaller particles are called sediment. After this, what happened? These sediments deposit or transported by the wind, water and air. आपके wind है, water के उससे एक दूसरे से दूसरे का deposit हो जाते हैं. So these loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers. Now जो layers to layers बनाते जाते हैं, ठीक है, with the help of wind and all. ये these sediments are deposited here. Then after this, what it made? Here compress and which thing hardened हो जाते हैं, layers of rock. So these types of rocks are sedimentary rock. For example, sandstone. Fine. Which is example of sedimentary rock? Sandstone is made from grains of sand. किसके grain से बनाया हुआ है बेटा? वो sand. These rocks may also contain fossil of plants, animals and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Now the next important thing come. Okay, igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rock. अब आपको पता चल गया कि आपकी इग्निशियस रॉक कैसे बन रही है, सेडिमेंट्री रॉक कैसे. अब ये दोनों मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स में अंडर द ग्रेट हीट एंड प्रेशर. ओके, विच थिंग? अंडर द ग्रेट हीट एंड प्रेशर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्ले. Okay, we can take an example of clay. Clay changes into slate and limestone, into marble. Are very useful for us, and the hard rocks are used for making roads, house and buildings. आपने देखा है rocks हमारे बहुत useful हैं, and we use rocks to making which is things like roads, houses, building. Stones are also used in many games. Okay, have you seen, for example, seven stone, pittu fort, yes, hopscotch, tapu kit kat, five stone, gitti. These are the use. Okay, we use stone also for play games. Okay, rocks are used in like monuments also. If we talk about the Red Fort and Taj Mahal, just listen here. Red Fort is made up of red sandstone and Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. This one is very important beta, so that's why rocks are very useful for us. Now the students, just let's come here. The next one is rock cycle. You will be very surprised to know that one type of rock changes to another type under certain condition in a cyclic manner. This here as you can see, I'm going to explain this cyclic manner. Okay, so this process of transformation of the rock, which process? Process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as rock cycle. So now just look at here. When the molten magma cools, it solidifies to become igneous rock. Here the molten magma, whenever it cool, it solidifies to igneous rock. Then these igneous rock are broken down into small particles, as you all of you know that. Then small particles, and which thing? Transported and deposited to which one? Sedimentary. छोटे छोटे सेडिमेंट्स में अभी मैंने आपको बताया ना, रॉक्स रोल डाउन, क्रैक एंड हीट ईच अदर एंड आर ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू स्मॉल फ्रैगमेंट्स. सो दीज स्मॉलर पार्टिकल्स आर कॉल्ड sediment. So after this, which thing? What happened when the igneous and sedimentary rock? Okay, when the igneous and when the sedimentary rock are subjected to heat and pressure, उन पे क्या पड़ता है बेटा? Heat and pressure. They change into metamorphic rock. Again magma to igneous rock, then sediment, then sedimentary, then under heat and pressure, then metamorphic. ये जो आपकी साइकिल है, ये एक आपकी चेन टाइप में चलती रहती है. So that's why which one? Rock cycle. Okay. Now students, just look at here the next diagram also. rock cycle diagram. Here as you can see, igneous rock, okay, fine. Then under the great heat and pressure, here the metamorphic rock, then melting here, then magma, then weathering and erosion, then which one, sediments, then sedimentary, okay, then heat and pressure, ये पूरी आपकी एक प्रोसेस चलती रहती है. Fine, you must know about this. Just look at the all these points: weathering, heat and pressure, cooling and melting, weathering and erosion, heat and pressure. These are the important points. Student, just look at here. Okay, fine. Some question, very short answer type question. What is called the uppermost layer? Okay, कौन सी है आपकी uppermost layer? It is called the crust. What is the special feature of this layer? Okay, which layer? Yes, uppermost layer. Yes, crust. It is the thinnest of all the layer. Name the main mineral constitute of the continental mass. Here about we have to give the answer: continental mass, silica and aluminium. Name the constituents of the oceanic crust: silica and magnesium. Listen here. What it makes? Yes, continental mass, Sial. And what about ye? This one, Sima. You know. What is the radius of the core? 3500 kilometer. And this one, what are the main constituents of the core? This one, knife. Okay. This question is also, just look at the question here. What are minerals? How are they useful for mankind? So minerals are naturally occurring substance. What do you understand by minerals? Minerals are naturally occurring substance which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition. जिनकी क्या है, एक naturally occurring substance है, nature, बिल्कुल nature से मिलता है बेटा ये, and इनकी क्या है, certain physical properties है, definite chemical composition. Minerals are very useful for mankind because some minerals are like coal, natural gas, petroleum are used as fuel. Okay, they are also used in industries. Industries also we use some of the minerals also, just like iron, aluminum, gold, uranium. Even we can talk about the medicine also. We are using minerals for medicine also, and even for fertilizer also. Now this one question, as you can see here, mention the various types of rocks. Which one? Igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. All of you know. First we will talk about the igneous, when the molten magma cools and it becomes solid. जब आपका molten magma क्या होता है? Cool होता है and solid. Then rocks formed in this way are called igneous. Igneous rocks are of two types: intrusive and extrusive. First we will talk about the extrusive, when the molten lava comes on the earth surface. Where? When the molten lava आपका कहाँ आता है? Earth surface में. Then it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. So rocks form in this way on the crust called extrusive. Example also basalt. Fine. Then the next one, here you can see the next one, extrusive, after this intrusive. Okay. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside. क्या होता है, कभी कभी आपका molten magma जो है deep inside ही cool down हो जाता है. Then solid rocks so formed are intrusive. Intrusive. Since they cool down slowly, they form the large grain. For example, granite. Now sedimentary rock are small fragments of rocks are called sedimentary. Okay, जब छोटे छोटे आपके fragments में आपके जो है आपके क्या हो जाता है, just like rocks roll down, then crack and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. These sediments are transported and deposited by which thing? With the help of wind, with the help of water. Then these loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form a sedimentary. Like this, एक के ऊपर एक होते जाते हैं. Then for example, sandstone is made up of grains of sand. Last one is metamorphic, when igneous and sedimentary rock. Which rock? When igneous and sedimentary rocks. Which one? Both under great change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and which thing? pressure. They change into metamorphic rocks. For example, clay changes into slate and limestone into marble. So student, for today that's it. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day ahead.